Bitcoin is flashing this huge warning signal right now. Are we possibly at the start of a huge breakdown? Well, we need to be talking about that exactly. Of course, Bitcoin has been having this huge, insane rejection towards the downside, still trading inside of this downtrend in that imminent short term, while the ETF investors are right now selling off their Bitcoin. So we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes, back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that imminent short term. And yes, I am currently still sitting in my Bitcoin long position. I will be talking about this exactly a little bit later in this video. But first of all, yes, Bitcoin is breaking down right now and we are trading inside of this downtrend structure. So should we be getting worried at this current moment? Well guys, of course, yesterday I've been talking about the fact how this bounce over here was extremely weak and how this was actually looking quite bad for Bitcoin. And a few hours after, well, we were seeing this breakdown, just like I've been posting about. So should we be getting worried right now? Or is this just going to be a massive Bitcoin bear trap? Well guys, first of all, like I've been talking about yesterday, yes, if we are going to be confirming this breakdown, just like I've drawn right here, with a breakout confirmation towards the downside, well in that case, I definitely do think that we are going to be headed lower. So if we're going to be breaking below this low over here, alright, right now we are getting our retest. If we are going to be breaking below this low over here, well then definitely that is going to be that confirmation that indeed we are going to be reaching that price target, in my opinion. Right now we are only just seeing that breakdown and we could still be reversing it back towards the upside, reclaiming this level of previous level of support, right now turning in towards resistance. But if we are going to be reclaiming it, well that will be mega bullish for Bitcoin again. So in my opinion, Bitcoin is just trading inside of some kind of a trading range, inside of this level of support and this level of resistance. If we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, that's going to be ultimately bullish. But if we're going to be breaking this one towards the downside, that is going to be extremely bearish. So it is just going to be very simple to have a look into this Bitcoin chart. But yeah, do keep in mind that in that short term, we are currently trading inside of this downtrend. So probably it is going to be more likely to see some more downwards continuation. Also because we are getting this breakdown. But the reason why I'm still leaning a little bit more towards the bullish side and why I do think that a recovery is still going to be possible is because on that larger time frame we are seeing this Bitcoin bullish divergence getting created right now. At the same time, we are also seeing our ETF investors selling off right now, and we do know that these ETF investors are actually the dump money, because literally at the top once again they've started buying in like crazy, and right now at these bottoms, well, they are once again selling off. This is exactly what has been happening in the past with these ETF investors. They've literally been buying the tops and they've literally been selling the bottoms. Right now, they've literally, again, been buying this top and right now they're selling off. So yeah, in my opinion, this is looking rather bullish. At the same time also, we are still trading inside of this uptrend unless we are going to be breaking below this low, which I do not think is going to be happening. Well, then we are still going to be trading inside of this uptrend, and ultimately I am going to be expecting a bounce. Now, it might not be from this level over here. We might need to have a look into the lower levels getting reached before ultimately bouncing towards the upside, but inevitably, ultimately, I do think that we are going to be seeing another bounce and this uptrend still remaining. Also, yeah, we have bounced from off some kind of a level of support because Bitcoin on that larger time frame is still creating some kind of a megaphone pattern. We are seeing this support. We are bouncing off just a little bit. We need to be having a closer look into this for the coming few days. Also, do keep in mind that currently we are trading inside of a weekend, so probably volatility is going to be lower during the course of the weekend. It is going to be extremely likely that during the course of the weekend, we are just going to be seeing some sideways consolidation, and then beginning next week, this volatility returning. So I should not really panic at this current moment. If we are going to be seeing a massive move for Bitcoin getting created, well then we are going to be creating a massive CME gap, which inevitably will be getting filled just like we have been seeing happening, all of these previous times. For example, right over here, we have seen it getting filled. For example, right over here, well, ultimately, we have been seeing it getting filled. And yeah, this is happening over and over again. Also right over here, it has been getting filled. So yeah, do not panic too much during the course of this weekend. Do keep in mind that in that larger time frame, we are just seeing a huge bullish consolidation. We are leading in towards this consolidation with bullish momentum. Definitely still looking very good, and we might not be breaking out today, we might not be breaking out tomorrow, maybe not next week, but ultimately I do think in the coming few months we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, and then the parabolic next leg towards the upside getting initiated. So definitely do not get fooled over here. Still, volatility is going to be inevitable. The longer we are going to be getting squeezed in and we are going to be consolidating inside of these Bollinger Bands, well, the more explosive the move will ultimately become. So yeah, see this consolidation as literally a gift for Bitcoin. Now anyways guys, with that being said, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, make sure to check out Margex with that link down below, because over on Margex, you can right now claim a free $50 on your initial sign up. On top of that, whenever you deposit $100, you are going to be getting another $50 for free. So that is absolutely insane. Definitely make sure to be checking it out and claim these bonuses. On top of that, if you do use that my code down below, you get a 20% bonus on your deposits. So if you deposit $1,000, you are going to be getting another $200 completely for free. And you can also cover up to 50% of your trading fees if you do use my link down below. So definitely make sure to be checking it out. If you are going to be getting interested in trading over here, you can be trading with up to 100x leverage. So definitely check it out with that link down below. Anyways guys, yes, for that longer time frame, well, this is really just going to be the level to be breaking for Bitcoin. Yes, of course, right now we are still getting rejected, we are still getting resistance, but ultimately I do think we are going to be breaking above, just like with this big consolidation we are seeing. Anyways guys, for altcoins, well, altcoins aren't moving at all. They are even kind of slow bleeding towards the downside, but I can guarantee you that when this Bitcoin dominance rising wedge breaks down, well then altcoins will explode. The alt season will really start. So right now, it's going to be the time to be preparing yourself for this inevitable break towards the downside. That is going to be mega bullish for altcoins. And talking about altcoins, well, Solana is sitting at this huge level of support. Yesterday, I've been buying some more Solana over here. I definitely do think it is going to be a great buy over here. Now, I'm thinking about opening up a leverage trade at this current moment. I do think it is going to be a great opportunity, but I will let you know about that exactly later. But anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I will see you in another update video tomorrow morning.